Hundreds of mourners, including a large number of journalists, converged at the Trinity Church here on Sunday, 30th of June, 2019, to attend the funeral service of senior journalist Anil Datta, who breathed his last a couple of days ago at Karachi Press Club. Journalist Sarfaraz Ahmed and Talat Aslam, speaking on the occasion, lauded the services Anil Datta rendered as a journalist. He was later buried at the Christian cemetery Gora Qabristan. Journalist Anil Datta served as sub-editor and reporter at Pakistan and Gulf Economist, Business Recorder, Dawn and The News. Anil Datta graduated from the Government College of Lahore, where he studied with many known figures of today before migrating to the port city. Here he pursued a long career as a journalist. This scribe has driven Anil Datta to a number of rendezvous, including state receptions. Datta, a confirmed bachelor, opted to live a solitary life in this metropolis instead of migrating to USA, where his brothers and other family members are based.